Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds XIAOMI OpenWear with your MacBook. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth and other devices, press at this line or click Enter. Now, in this window, you need to click Add Device at the right top. If you have Windows 10, you will have this button at the top. So press this button, and in this window we need to select Bluetooth. After that, open the charging case, and inside the case we have Connectional button. You need to press and hold it until the LED lights start blinking white. Here we go, we just entered to pairing mode, so we should see them at the device list. And right here we have them, this time, okay, now it fixed. So, press at your earbuds here, and then click Done. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!